screen clearly. Today is 5th of October. So I want us to look at the chart which we had yesterday. This just the same indicator which we had yesterday. You remember we said that if when the price was somewhere around this trend line, I mean this moving average, these are just the three lines for the Bollinger Bands. When it was below this line here, this was a good place to look for a buy from. So we took a buy position. When the price came back and started touching the same line, we are still holding on to that position. Our expectation is that the price should continue to the upper side, at least up to this upper line here. So we don't know exactly when this will happen, but if the price pulls back up and touches even the midline, then we will be good to get out. Does that make sense? Does it make sense what I've said? Okay, so the next chart which I want us to look at, the Euro USD chart. So with the Euro USD chart so far, it looks like the price is bearish. We are in some active downtrend. You can see that the price is attempting to touch. Each time the price touches this level here, the lower band, it bounces off from it but does not clearly head straight to the upper side. So on this chart, basically we'd like to see price continue upwards. We are likely to see price continue up. We are likely to see price continue up, but then it should not break beyond this moving the middle band. So the idea here will be just expect price to continue up to this level here, so that you pick a sell position. This means anytime the price touches the middle band, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So the period which we're using for this band, we're using 200 period, and the deviation for it is 2.7. The price may likely go up to is along the upper band. So as it is now, this is bearish. You can see from when the price went below this band here, it continues even lower. So if we see a pullback up to this level here, assuming the price for some reasons comes back up to this level, then that would be the correct place to look for a sell from. We don't want to sell it now, because if we sell it now, the price will still likely pull back to the upper side. So we want to wait for price to pull back at least significantly before we can look for a sell position. So the best place to sell it from is when the price comes back up to this point here. Otherwise, if it breaks below this point, 1.16620, then this will mean we are now continuing to the lower side. The next symbol which I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with this chart here, it looks like the price is in an active uptrend. Look at how I want to approach it. We do have a level here, we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here. There was this massive breakout. On the lower side, we do have also a trend line here. So this is a support, we have a support, we have a support. There is this breakout. So as it is right now, we do have a level here, and we also do have a level here. So this is like some support, a resistance, sorry, this is a resistance. There is this breakout, the price continued up, it pulled back, it continued up, it pulled back, it continued up, then it came back, and somehow we are within this. So this is a very good level for either buying from the bottom and selling from the top. You can either wait and buy here, or wait and sell from the top. So we'd like to see price pull back, does something like this, and then continue up, then pull back before we can see a continuation to the upper side. This is what may likely happen. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, expect price to continue upwards, expect it to continue to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So basically this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So if you're on this chart right now, we are expecting price to continue to consolidate within this range 111.241, 110.807. Then if the price breaks above it, we want to see some pullback before the price can continue higher. Okay, so if the price does the opposite, that is, instead of the price breaking above, if it otherwise a break above 111.241 will mean we are now upwards, at least up to 112.053. The next symbol which I want us to look at is the SP500. So as I mentioned yesterday, the SP500 is bullish. Irrespective of whatever is happening now, you can see that it looks like the price is bearish, but if you look at this chart keenly, you can see that somehow the price is in an uptrend. So we want to, if you didn't buy it there, you can still wait and buy it where the price is now. Basically, this is the correct place to look for a buy from. This is the correct place where you'd like to look for a buy from. We have 4285.9. If the price can come back up to this level nicely, then this should be the ideal place to look for a buy from. So you buy it there, hold on to that position at least up to this point. The next target is this one, and then the next target is this one. You buy it here, expect price to continue upwards with our target at 4395.5. The next target is 4481.9, and then the next target is 4551.7. The next symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil so far is in an active uptrend. Anytime, as we said yesterday, anytime the price approaches this upper line, it means the price is overbought. So this is a good place to look for a sell from. So we'd like to sell it off here. When the price touches this level here, this upper band will pick a sell position at least up to this level here. This was a resistance, there was a break, there's a support. So if the price touches this point, we do expect price to pull back to the same level before it can continue upward like this. So this will give us an ideal place to look for a sell from, and the lower side will look for a buy from this point here. The next symbol which I want us to look at is gold. So with gold so far, it looks like the price is very much to the lower side. It looks like the price is bearish, but we do have a trend line here which is likely going to be used as a sell place. We do have that trend line, and then we have a supportive trend line here. So the price may likely continue upwards up to this trend line here, so that we pick a sell position from there up to the lower trend line. So this will act as a good place to look for a sell from. This here will be a very good place where you want to look for a sell from. If you didn't sell it there, you can wait and sell it when the price touches this point. And in case the price breaks above this upper trend line, then expect a continuation to the upper side with your first target here, and then the next target is fixed at this. Meet again